Warm welcome to all of you over here. This is me, Aditya, your master teacher, and taking care of the mathematics portion. So I hope you guys are doing great in your preparation. Now we will start this session with the positive thought of the day that the success consists of going from failure to failure without lose of enthusiasm. What does it mean? Simply, you have to keep pushing yourself until and unless you will have the success. Doesn't matter how many times you are failing. So let's start. And first of all, we will have a discussion about what this V.O.T.E is. So in the last couple of days, we were having this discussion what exactly this is. We were having it as a secret. Now it has been revealed. It's an examination, not just an examination. This particular V.O.T.E series will give you a comeback in your preparation. You know why? Because I do feel if we will set rewards in our preparation, it can have the jump. Set reward in anything, you will see a jump in that. So might be possible that 2020 was a setback for you. It might be possible that your last year has completely gone waste. There are many possibilities, but right now through this V.O.T.E we will make sure that we will come back in our journey, in our preparation. So guys, let me know from what part of this country you guys are from. So I am over here in this green portion. I am from Pune. I live in Pune. I am from Rajasthan. So this orange, red and green portions belongs to me. So do let me know, but it doesn't matter from where you are because you can give this examination. An important thing is you are going to have the competition on the national level. You can give this exam on 28th of the March, 4th April, 11th April and 18th April. But all these 4 dates will be for national level examination. And what you will do on other days, you will give the daily quiz to win the exciting prizes, and I will tell you how exactly you can do so. We will talk about now. First thing is how exactly we will enroll for this examination, what exactly we will get after giving this examination. The very first thing, it's a free, you will not be charged anything. It is an all India level examination going to happen on the 4 dates 20th March, 4th April, 11th April and 18th April at 3 p.m. So block your calendar on these dates and at this time. After giving the test, you will have the in-depth performance analysis with all India rank, with state-wise rank, subject rank and with question analysis also. You will be having a scholarship up to a pool of over 500 crores. It's huge. You will be having daily challenges, and through these challenges you can win the exciting prizes. We will see what they will be. And one of the most exciting, the last point, and this is very exciting for me, that you can be the Vedantu's CEO. You will run this company for 1 day. You will feel how exactly it feels like to be the head of the company. Let's talk about the in-depth analysis. Though I have told you already that you will be having the all India rank, subject-wise rank, state-wise rank, and you will be having the question level analysis for these 4 exams. When you will give these 4 exams and analysis on the basis of your performance, you will be having some exciting prizes. And one of the most exciting is that you can be the head of this company. You will run, you will have to perform all the responsibilities, and you will see at this early age point of the time. So this is really great. Second point, that you can be you can have a trip to NASA in America. Another point which can change your journey. And apart from this, you can have the educational equipments like microscope, telescopes, VR, laptops and other gadgets. For say Kindle, JBL headphone, speakers or hard disk. Apart from this, you can have the OnePlus 8T smartwatch, laptops, VR, and I have told you about this. And this is a drone, this is gaming equipment, and this is earbuds. So I hope you are exciting, and I hope this will keep you pushing to learn more, to study some more. Now, how exactly you will enroll? You will be having a link in the description box, or you can visit the Google Play Store and over there search Vedantu, V-E-D-A-N-T-U. After downloading the application, and making your account, or just visit this link and register for V.O.T.E. And when you will register, you will be having the you have to fill the name, your grade, your board, and for what examination you are preparing for. And then your competition will be decided. After this, you will have a V.O.T.E. ID card that you will use to sit for these examinations. Now we are having 4 dates. It all depends on you how many you can give. All 4 are open to you. You can give multiple exams. So you are having opportunity 4 times to be the CEO, to visit the NASA, and you can have all of them together on the basis of your performance in every test. Now, what exactly you will be asked? It is exactly same what you are preparing for. It is exactly same what we are preparing you for. जो कुछ आप अभी तक पढ़ते आए हो और जो हम लोग आपको पढ़ा रहे हैं, बस उसी पर कमांड करना है. जैसा मैंने आपको बोला, till now you are studying but you are not having any reward, but right over here we have decided to give you reward for your every single effort. Exam, you will be having 3 papers. Since you are from the commerce, you will be having 3 papers of accounts, business studies and economics, and every paper will have the 30 questions. Every question will be of the 4 marks if you will do it correct, and you will get -1 marks if you will make it wrong. This whole paper will be of the 90 minutes, so averagely 1 minute per question. Now, apart from this, you can attempt daily quizzes, and by giving the daily quizzes on application or on this platform, you will be having V coins. And by using these V coins, you can win the other prizes apart from being CEO, NASA, or the basic top educational equipments. Fine. Now, you can make your squad also. अपनी एक टीम बनाइए आप लोग, और you can choose the logo of your team, and together you can strive for the success. So all set to make a comeback. I hope पूरी जान जोखिम जो जान को जोखिम में नहीं डालना है, पूरा जान लगा देना है, पूरी मेहनत के साथ आपको ये एग्जाम देना है, and you have to win. Register today. Link is in the description box, or check out the Google Play Store. Now, there is a Telegram group that you will join. Link is again in the description box. And if you love to come over here, you will hit the like button, share, and you will support in this manner. Now, this is the schedule of this week. Today, we are going to do drama of the equation, how to solve and interpret equations. Tomorrow, we will be doing master basics of the graph of any function. So, we will study what graph you have to know before you jump in the 12th. Then on Wednesday, we will see how to deal with the stress, a quick session for you people to cope up with the stress. On Thursday, we will be doing basics of the trigonometry, only the basic part that you have to know before you go in the 12th. On Friday, we will be doing tips and tricks to increase your calculation speed. And on Saturday, we will be doing the final session for 11th, for 12th going 11th students. So इसके अंदर हम क्या करेंगे? We will cover all the things of the 11 that you needed to know. Minimum thing, कम से कम. तो कुछ लोग जिनको पढ़ने का बिल्कुल शौक नहीं है कि सर कम से कम बताओ कि 1 घंटे में पूरा 11th खत्म कर दूं, उतना, क्योंकि मैं 11th में मैंने पढ़ाई नहीं की, मुझे थोड़ा बहुत बेसिक आप बता दीजिए क्या क्या जरूरत लगेगी. I will cover it from my side and through this lecture. So this session is for you people. Now let's see how to solve and interpret equations. So guys, you will not have you will have 3 kind of equation. One is linear equation, most probably. Second is quadratic equation, and third kind is polynomial. In the polynomial, generally cubic expression. How to solve linear equation, and what is linear equation? Linear equation is an equation. सबसे पहले what is equation समझते पहले. What exactly is equation? देखो, and why we are discussing it. I would say that most of you are not able to solve question because we do not know. हम जानते ही नहीं है. We do not know how to convert question in equation form. आप में से ज्यादातर लोग चेक करो गलतियां कहां पर हो रही है. सर, we do not know, हमें क्वेश्चन समझ में नहीं आया. question is not clear, the language of the question is not clear, we are not able to form the equation. We have formed the equation but we have solved it wrong. We have formed the equation but we do not know how to solve, or we do not know whether it's correct or wrong. So we will have a discussion on this, and I would say you will have a quantum jump in your preparation if you will watch this video for the complete till the last, till the end. ओके क्योंकि ये बहुत लोगों को दिक्कत होती है कि सर इक्वेशन बनाना नहीं आता, क्वेश्चन रीड करने के बाद क्या करें समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. दिस इज योर फर्स्ट स्टेप. मेक योर फर्स्ट स्टेप ऑन एवरी इक्वेशन. राइट इट डाउन. व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप? मेक इक्वेशन. इक्वेशन बनाना सीखो. अगर आपने कर लिया है, मेकिंग इक्वेशन इज लाइक इंटरप्रेटिंग क्वेश्चन इन मैथमेटिकल लैंग्वेज. आप इंग्लिश से मैथ्स की तरफ जंप करते हो बाय यूजिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर लेक्चर और बाय यूजिंग मेकिंग द इक्वेशन. फाइन. नाउ व्हाट इज इक्वेशन? सबसे पहले समझते हैं कि इक्वेशन क्या होती है. इक्वेशन क्या होती है? इक्वेशन, हियर देयर इज अ टर्म इक्वल. इक्वेशन टर्म डिराइव फ्रॉम द इक्वल. नाउ व्हाट इज इक्वल? यू विल हैव द इक्वल साइन. That means you are having something over here, you will having something over here. You will be having LHS and you will be having RHS. This is what you have to do. And what is LHS? You will have variables. You will have variables. आपके पास variables होंगे. अब हमने बोला linear equation. What is a linear equation? When your variable is having the maximum power 1, it is a linear. When your variable, any variable, or it can have any number of variables, but all the variables should have the maximum power 1. When your variable is having the maximum power of 2, when your variable is having the maximum power of 2, it's a quadratic. If it is 3, we will say it's a cubic. Or if it is more than 3, you will put under the category of polynomial. Though all these come under polynomial. ये भी polynomial है. Linear is also polynomial. Quadratic is also polynomial, cubic is also polynomial, और polynomial is also polynomial. Yes or no? तो अभी हम रीड करेंगे कि कैसे लीनियर प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करें. देखो सबसे पहला काम, जनरली यू विल फॉर्म द इक्वेशन इन द केस ऑफ लीनियर, यानी कि योर मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन विल हैव द लीनियर इक्वेशन. यू विल हार्डली हैव क्वाड्रेटिक. ओके, or you will be given the quadratic. In case of quadratic, a quadratic equation is already given, but in case of linear, you have to generate it. Always remember. Now, first of all, you have to interpret your question in equation form. That we will see how. Second thing, you will check how many variables you have used. And make sure if you want the solution, number of variables must be equal to number of equations. And then you will learn how to simplify these equations. There are two methods, substitution or elimination method. Let's take some examples. देखिए, मैं आपको कुछ एक term बता देता हूँ where we do have a problem. For say, let's say first number is 5 more than, is 5 more than second number. यहां पर always remember is means equal to, more than means plus sign, less than means negative sign, and times means like 5 times more. Times more means multiply, and times less means divide. You will note it down. For example, first number. What is the first number? We do not know. And always remember in the mathematics, something we do not know. जब भी आपके पास आंसर है, we don't know. Whatever is the reason, whether you are not able to calculate or whether it's not given in the question. As of now, what is the first number? I do not know. I will assume it as A. First number is means equals to 5. 5 more than means plus sign, plus second number. I do not know second number, so I will assume the other variable. Yes or no? You will note down this particular table and we will see some more examples. The sum of two numbers is 25. Sum of two numbers, so addition of two numbers, is 25. These are basic activities. So I will recommend you do not have to solve questions. Your very first, if you will ask me, I am weak in mathematics, what should I do at the very first? I will give you two tips. One is start making equation. Read the question and write down the equation. Doesn't matter what is the chapter. It can be your integration, it can be your quadratic equation, it can be any chapter, it can be sequence series, it can be linear programming, it can be statistics, it can be any chapter in the whole course. Start reading question and convert it in the form of equation. Equation की form में convert करो and check whether you have made equation correctly or not. If you have done your equation correctly, if you have made your equation correctly, you have passed the first level and then you can jump to second question. So always remember, if you are weak in the mathematics, start with making equation and second practice on calculation. इन दो चीजों को अगर आपने command किया, you will have some interest, you will have some boost up in your preparation. So a plus b equals 25. Yes. Now one of the number, I do not know what number, I will say 8a. One of the number exceeds the other by 9. A is exceeding B by 9. Exceed means more than. A is 9 more than. So अगर आपको कोई भी term ऐसा लगता है that this term is completely new to me, you will note it down. Exceeds means plus. So whenever it comes exceeds, you will write down one of the number exceed the other by 9. So what you will write down over here? That A exceeds B by 9, so A is equal to B plus 9. And now after having the equation, now the thing is how to solve it. There are two methods. One is elimination method, one is substitution. What does substitution means? Generally you will be having two variables, generally. Now first thing, how many variables? Two variables. How many equation? Two. Two variable, two equation. Three variable, three equation. Generally you will have two variables. Okay, you will hardly see three variables, you will hardly see one variable. Okay, now since you are having two variables, two equations, so what you can do now? You can substitute. What is the meaning of substitute? Put a value of a variable in the another equation. For say A is equal to B plus 9, I will put over here A equal to B plus 9. So I have replaced a variable in another equation by using the other equation. Plus b is equals to 25. B plus b, 2b is equal to 25 minus 9 is 16. B is equals to 8. And put it over here, a equal to 17. This is one of the way. Another way of solving this is a plus b is equal to 25, and this is elimination method. And over here, by doing addition, multiplication, subtraction, whatever operation you wanted to, you will eliminate one of the variable. For say, this is a minus b equal to 9, and when I will add these two equation, अगर मैंने दोनों equation को add किया तो क्या होगा? A plus a 2a plus b minus b 0 and 25 plus 9 34. A is equal to 17. Put over here 17 minus 9 is equals to 8. I hope this is very clear how to solve these questions. अच्छा एक और question लगाएं. Sum of the two number is 14. This is exactly same. Sum of the two number is 14. And the difference is 2. Difference of these two numbers is 2. What to do? Add these two equations. 2a equal to 16, a is equals to 8. This is elimination method. Or यहाँ से b कितना आएगा? b will be equals to 6. Or what you can do? From here you will write down a is equals to b plus 2. You will put over here. You will have 2a plus 2 is equals to 14. And from here you will say 2a equals to 16. 12. And a is equal, b is equals to, just give me a minute, okay, 2a plus 16, yes, you will be having 2a plus 16, 2a is equals to 16 and a is equals to 8. You can choose any method of your choice. Fine. Now, let's see some more questions. And we will just form the equation first of all. In a 2-digit number, the unit digit, now repeat, in a 2-digit number, first of all, it's a 2-digit number. For example, always say example if it is not clear. Let's say 23. But how I will write on the variable form? If we will write down AB, this looks like multiplication of 2 digits, yes or no? So what I will write down, I will break a 2-digit number in the simplest form, and it is 20 plus 3. A 2-digit number is represented as 10A plus B. A 3-digit number, let's say ABC, is represented as 100A plus 10B plus C. Basically, it's 10 square A plus 10 power 1B plus 10 power 0 C. Okay. So from here, I get to know what is a 2-digit number. So I will use this one, not this one, because this looks like a multiplication in variable form and we can commit the mistake. The unit digit, what is a unit digit? B is, unit digit is means equal to thrice the tens digit. 3 times, twice. What is the meaning of twice? 2 times. What is the meaning of thrice? Thrice means 3 times, and for 4 we will use 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, but for this you will note it down. So B unit digit is 3 times the, read karo, the tens digit. Tens digit is A. So B equal to 3A. That means my number, if I wanted to write down, this is 10A plus 3A is equal to 13 times of A. This is my number. If 36 is added to number, if 36, what is the number? 13A. If 36 is added to number, the digits interchange their place. Now it will become BA. And what is BA? This is equal to BA. BA is 10B plus A. What is B? B equal to 3A. Put over here. So 10 into 3A, 38, 31A. So 13A plus 36 equal to 31A. And from here you will have 18A equal to 36. A is equals to 2. Now if A equal to 2, B equal to 6. A equal to 2 and B equal to 6. That means the number is 26. If you see, unit digit is 3 times of the tens digit. If I will add 36 over here, this will become 62. And the digits get replaced, interchanged. Fine, and now you will make an equation of this question, and I want all of you to write down in the chat box. This is how you will do. Now next thing is the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation can be solved by 2 methods, factorization method. Now let's suppose, एक काम करते हैं, let's read the polynomial first, okay? And then I will tell you what is the factorization method. देखो, polynomial is A x power n plus B x power n minus 1 plus C x power n minus 2 plus D x power n minus 3 and so on, so on, so on, and finally we are having some constant term equal to 0. This is a polynomial expression. Polynomial expression का मतलब क्या होता है? Where you will have the variables and polynomial equation of any degree, n degree. It can be of the 1 degree. Polynomial equation of 1 degree is the linear. Polynomial equation of the 2 degree is quadratic. Polynomial degree equation of 3 degree is cubic. And for more than 3, we just use the term polynomial. Make sure the power on the x has to be positive integer. I repeat, power on the x has to be positive integer. Now, what is the method of factorization? Method of factorization says put x equal to something. कुछ तो put करो इसके अंदर and check whether this is making it 0 or not. Let's suppose for x equals to alpha, this polynomial becomes 0 or this equation satisfy for x, this polynomial satisfies. अगर ये satisfy हो जाती है, इसका मतलब है this is the root, and if this is the root, we will say x minus alpha is one of the factor. Okay, and then I will find out all the factor x minus alpha, x minus beta, x minus gamma, x minus delta, and so on, so on, so on. Your linear equation can have one variable or two variable in your course, but your more than linear equation means if it is a quadratic, if it is a cubic, or if it is more than that, you will always have the one variable, and these factors basically gives you the roots, or you can say that these factor multiplication of these factor will be equals to the polynomial expression. Now let's read this in term of quadratic equation. Now we will say, let's suppose there is a polynomial expression which will become 0 for x equals to alpha and x equals to beta. I repeat, if I will say this polynomial becomes 0 for x equal to alpha and x equal to beta, then we will say this polynomial will be equals to x minus alpha, x minus beta. This is your polynomial form. Okay, this is your equation. Clear? And now this is equal to 0. अभी आपका क्या बन गया? x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta is equals to 0. आई बात समझ में? एंड यहां से हम क्या बोलते हैं? These are the roots. These are the roots. Okay. So what is the sum of the roots? You have to know this. Sum of roots will be equals to alpha plus beta, and product of the roots will be equal to alpha beta. This is the factorization method. Now, if you do not want to learn the factorization method, or if you feel that why we need the factorization method in the quadratic equation, you can directly apply this formula. If your equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then you can directly write down over here roots of the equation alpha beta are minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay. Now, let's solve this equation. X square plus 22x minus 363. X square plus 22x minus 363. ये हमें solve करना है, ठीक है? We do want to solve this equation. अब थोड़ा सा दिमाग में ये आता है कि यार how to do the factorization method. Let's first of all find out the roots by using the formula method. A is equals to 1, b is equals to ax square plus bx, b equal to 22, and c is equals to minus 663. What is this? This is the minus times of sum of the roots. You will see the sum of the roots are minus 22. What is the sum of the roots? Minus 22. What is the product of the roots? Minus 363. Means one root is positive. By using this technique, you will know one root is positive and other root is negative. Let's do one thing. Let's factorize 363. Okay? And I'm telling you how exactly you can calculate the roots by using the factorization method. This is 1, 1. Let's divide by 3. 1, 21, 11, 11, and then this is 11, 11. Now I will have to arrange my number in such a way that I will have my summation minus 22. If I will see, it is something like minus 33 plus 11 is minus 22. Roots are gay. Roots are minus 33 and second root is 11. This is your answer, guys. Now, लेकिन अगर आपको निकालना है कि सर बताइए दो रूट्स का कैसे फॉर्मूला होता है. A equals to 1, B equals to 22, C equals to minus 363. Now, what is the roots? Roots is equals to minus B plus minus under root B square minus 4A and C upon, now minus 363 upon 2A, 2 into 1 is equals to minus 22 plus minus, this is 484, and now when you will this minus minus becomes plus. 363 into 4 is 2 carry 1, 5 carry 2, 1452 divide by 2 is equal to minus 22 plus minus, this is 6, this is 3 carry 1, 1936. Yes, this is 6, 1936. Fine. Okay, and now what is 1936? You have to check कि 1936 आपका कहाँ से रूट्स निकलेगा. This will be 36. Okay, let me check. 36 is 12, 14, 46. Okay, so I think this is the root of 46. So we need to check. ये आपका निकलेगा 14. Just let me check. Okay, 43, 42, 44. 44 minus 6. Yes, this is 44 root. So this is equals to minus 22 plus minus 44 by 2. Minus 22 minus 44 minus 66 by 2 minus 33. Minus 33. Okay. Plus 44 minus 22. 22 by 22 is 11. So this is how you can get the root. Now you will have the polynomial. We have seen what is a polynomial. Let's suppose now you are having this equation 8x cube plus 8x cube plus 24x square minus 32x is equal to 0. Now it looks like that this looks like it is a polynomial of the 3 degree. But if you will see, every term is having the x. There is no term which is free of x. So definitely in that case, one of the root is x equal to 0. If it is x equal to 0, you can take common x. So you will write down 8x square plus 24x square minus 32, and you can also take 8 common. So 8x x square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. And now you will form the roots. You will calculate the roots of over here, or you can finally what you will have. Finally you will have this as equals to x minus 1 into x plus 2. And what are the roots then? From here, how it will become 0 when x will become 0? How this will become 0 when x equals to 1? How this will become 0 when x equals to minus 2? Okay, so you will feel that there is equation in every single question that you are going to face in your examination. Most importantly, in the 12th, in the chapter of the linear programming, you will face it. In the chapter of application of derivative, you will face it a lot. In the chapter of application of integrals, you will face it a lot. Okay. In the chapter of relations functions, you will face it. In the chapter of matrix determinant, you will face it. So you will face it everywhere in the whole calculus and apart from calculus. So this particular session is very, very important, guys. And the next question, and this is important, and I will tell you how exactly you can judge what can be the root. Now 2x cube minus 5x square minus 23x and minus 10 equal to 0. Now simplest value is x equal to 0. On putting x equal to 0, 0, 0, 0, it's minus 10. Value is minus 10. Fine. Now put x equal to 1, 2, minus 5, minus 23, minus 10. It's a negative value. If you will see, this will be minus 5, minus 23. This is much less than minus 10. Somewhere here. At x equal to 1, this is minus 10. This is, I will say, minus 30. Though doesn't matter, but I know this is much less than that. Then I will put x equals to minus 1. And when you will put x equal to minus 1, this is minus 2. Minus 1 square is 1. 1 into 5 is 5 and minus sign. Minus 1 into minus 23 plus 23 and minus 10. And from here you will have it as 23 minus 10, 13 minus 5, 8 minus 2, 6. And now how you will reach from here to here? Definitely one of the root is between minus 1 and 0. And guys, in the case of cubic expression, if you will know one root, just one root you have to find out, because when you will write down the one root, other things can be calculated, because after that it will become quadratic, and solving quadratic and linear are easy. So what value should I choose? Generally it will be in the form of, now since it's between minus 1 to 0, it can be of the form of minus 1 by 2 or minus 1 by 3 or minus 1 by 4 or minus 1 by 5. I will try with minus 1 by 2. If you will put minus 1 by 2, you will see what? Minus 1 by 2. 2 into minus 1 by 2 is minus 1 by 8. Minus 5 into minus 1 by 2 is 4, 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 2 is 23 by 2. Minus 10. दिस इज -1/4, -5/4, -6/4 और -3/2. -3/2 plus 23/2 is 20/2 is 10, -10 is 0. Means हमारा assumption guess बिल्कुल सही निकला. That means x equals to 1/2 is the root. Now I can write it down as x minus 1/2, or if you will take cross multiplication, you can say that 2x minus 1 is one of the root. And now how to create the quadratic? If you will take one root common from here, now think, this is 2x. 2x cube divided by 2x. 2x cube divided by 2x. What it will be? It will be equals to x square. Okay, it will be x square. And now think over here. ये निकल गया एक. अच्छा, अब इसके बाद x square into 2x is 2x cube. X square minus 1 is minus x square. How much we need? Minus 4x square. Minus 4x square by 2x is minus 2x. Yes or no? Now over here, x square into 2x, 2x cube, minus x square minus 4x square is minus 5x square plus 2x. Now after giving plus 2x, how much do you need? After giving plus 2x, अब इसके बाद क्या चाहिए बेटा आपको? 2x के बाद आपको चाहिए 21. अब यहां से आप लिखोगे 21 के लिए एंड देन यू विल कीप ऑन राइटिंग. समझ में आया? अच्छा, या फिर देखो, ये मैं आपको बताता हूं और डिटेल में, लेकिन इक्वेशन फॉर्मिंग आपको आनी चाहिए उसके लिए पहले. ठीक है? अगर आपको ऐसे नहीं करना है देन यू विल कीप ऑन राइटिंग 2 पर भी आपकी नेगेटिव आएगी, 3 पर आपकी नेगेटिव, देन यू विल रियलाइज नाउ इट इज गोइंग अप 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 और आपको अगला रूट मिल जाता है 5 पर. एंड सिमिलरली आफ्टर पुटिंग ओवर हियर यू कैन क्रिएट द थर्ड पॉइंट. तो अभी हम क्या डिस्कस कर रहे थे यहां पर? that 2x cube minus 5x square minus 23x minus 10 is equals to 0. हमारे पास था 2x minus 1. फिर हमने यहां पर क्या लिखा? 2x over here we have written x square. यहां पर हमने क्या लिखा? x square लिखा. x square into 2, 2x cube minus 1x square. फिर हमने यहां पे क्या लिखा? minus 2x minus 5x square. फिर हमने माइनस प्लस 2x किया, प्लस 2x के बाद यहां लिखूंगा 25/2. देखो एक बार क्या होगा, माइनस माइनस, देखो ये आपका बनेगा प्लस 2x, लेकिन हमें कितना चाहिए? -23 प्लस 2x. सो आई नीड टू ऐड -25x, लेकिन डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा, डिवाइड बाई 2x. तो यहां पे आपका बनेगा माइनस टाइम्स ऑफ -25/2. सो अब आपको समझ में आया? I am dividing. What do I need is -23. What I have is 2x. What is the extra part that I need is -25x. Divide by what is the part over here? It is -25/2. ठीक है? इस तरीके से हम इस क्वेश्चन को लगाते हैं. अच्छा, यहां पर फिर आप इसको फर्दर कैलकुलेट करोगे. ये आपका क्या बन गया? 2x. यहां पर इसको मल्टीप्लाई किया, आपका बनेगा -25 प्लस 23, और इसको आपने इससे मल्टीप्लाई किया, तो यहां पर आपको कुछ करेक्शन करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है? इस तरीके से आप अपने आंसर को जनरेट करते हो. आई होप समझ में आया कैसे करना चाहिए आपको सॉल्व. यस और नो? अच्छा, इसके अंदर और भी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, लेकिन उसके लिए गाइज यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस ओवर हियर. दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस लेक्चर. एंड नाउ इफ यू वांट टू एनरोल ऑन वेदांतु, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ फीचर्स, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ फैकल्टीज विद very good experience, or I would say more than 5 years of experience in the teaching. You will be having more than 2000 hours of the live teaching. You will be having practice papers, solved examples, quizzes, assignments, weekly tests, all that you have to cover to excel in your examination. You can review your performance by using your mentor or the features on the platform that you will explore by using the link in the description box. And you will also check the price that you have to pay for this enrollment program by clicking on the link. The code is for you is ADAPRO. आराम से चेक करो, लिंक आपको दे दिए बेटा. ठीक है? और लिंक को देखने के बाद आपका काम क्या होगा? आपका सबसे पहला काम होगा चेक ऑल द थिंग्स ऑन द प्लेटफॉर्म. रिजल्ट क्या है, व्हाट एग्जैक्टली यू विल हैव, कंटेंट कैसा मिलेगा, व्हाट विल बी द लैंग्वेज ऑफ द लर्निंग, व्हाट विल बी द टाइमिंग, एंड यू विल फील अमेज्ड दैट everything is under your control. Means you can choose your schedule, you can choose your faculties, everything is under your control. Fine. So guys, this is all for today. Tomorrow we are going to start master basics. Tomorrow we are going to learn graphs of every function that we needed for 12th examination. This is all. Do not forget to join Telegram group and do not forget to share your love that we need from you people. Like, share and subscribe. This is all. Love you all guys. Take care. Tada.